Amrita Shergill. Amrita Shergill was the first woman artist who had made a special place for herself as a pioneer artist in the early 20th century. She was the daughter of Sardar Umrao Singh Shergill and Mary Antoinette Gottesman, a Hungarian opera singer. Shergill was born in Budapest in 1913 and spent her formative years in Europe. She pursued her education in painting in Paris at the famous École des Beaux-Arts. She became a legendary painter at a very young age. She had made approximately 150 paintings in her short life. Amrita's paintings during her stay in Europe until 1934 were mostly academic, consisting of still life, nude studies, portrait, and the like. In this painting, titled Young Girls, which Amrita did in 1932, you can see depiction of intimacy between two young girls in a private space. Compare the girl on the left with that of the girl on the right. The girl has her eye fixed on the bare breast of the girl on the right. With a plate of cherry in her lap, she is shown neatly dressed as a professional with finely tied hair. Her portrayal clearly shows her dominant position in the relationship. The girl on the right is shown in an elaborate gown. Her face is partially covered by her long golden tresses. There is a sense of hesitation. The diagonal created by the still life in the lower right corner leads the viewer into the composition and the main protagonist in this painting, that is the artist herself. Despite patchy brushwork of the post-impressionistic style, Shergill manages to create the fine fabric illusion. This work is known as Bride's Toilet. It is done by Amrita Shergill in 1937. This is one of the masterpieces of Amrita Shergill, which shows an adolescent bride being prepared for her marriage in a poor household. This depiction makes a significant change in portrayal of the subject. Usually, you will see this theme in traditional Indian paintings depicted with great exuberance, eroticism, and joy, where Naikas are carefully adorning themselves in anticipation of the union. However, Amrita chose to show the melancholy of the young bride who is uncertain about the future. Influence of Ajanta painting can be seen in depiction of the angular bodies with elongated limbs, profile and 3/4 views of the faces, as also in the portrayal of main protagonist in lighter skin with great simplicity, limited color palette and minimalism. Shergill created a provocative imagery. This work is titled as Ancient Storyteller. It dates back to 1940. It is in the collection of National Gallery of Modern Art. Notice this work. It is an exquisite painting by Shergill where she depicted India's quintessential village life. A stark white high fortification wall divides the composition into two parts, interior and exterior. An old man is shown narrating a story to his grandchildren. Near the group is an old lady engaged in household chores. In the distant middle ground are two female figures standing near two barren trees. Though their facial features and other details are not apparent, they appear to be young women. By placing these women near bare trees, Shergill probably tried to comment upon the restriction on women in Indian society and how they are deprived of the opportunities and beauty in the world outside their household. The simplified human forms and brushwork reflects Shergill's interest in the post-impressionistic style, whereas the intricate detailing seen in the garden's rendering outside the fortification wall shows the influence of the Pahari miniature painting. The use of red in the foreground, middle ground, and background unite the composition. The color also evokes an erotic mood in a typical Shergill style.